Welcome to Kenzai Band Camp. Today we're talking about the biceps. Biceps are two muscles right here, which allow your arm to fold up and pull something resistant in towards your body. All right, let's learn how to use the band to work the biceps. First exercise, pretty clear, pretty obvious. You step on the band with 2 feet, palms are facing up here, bend the knees slightly, and curl. This is the most basic biceps exercise. The key to a good curl is to not let your elbows move around too much. This is not great because the biceps aren't getting isolated. You want to imagine your elbows are pinned to the side of your body, and the only thing that's working is that small curling action. Now, as I curl, it gets harder at the top of the rep because of the resistance of the band, which what makes these exercises so effective with the elastic power of a resistance band. Here's another important point. You want to get a resistance band that has a soft cloth handle. And here's the reason why. We just saw the basic biceps curl with the palms up. I can change my hand position to a hammer grip because of the soft handle and go through the curls again. This time I'm isolating a different section of the biceps. This is hitting that inner wall of the biceps, right there. So you've got all kinds of curl positions, palm up, hammer. You can even do a palm down curl. We call this a T-Rex curl. This one you want to hook your thumb over the handle and curl this way. Good for your forearms, really challenging version of a curl. All right. And last but not least, we have the outside curl. In this one, you're going to swivel your elbows out, your chest is going to pop open, that's a good sign. And you're curling to the outside. This makes your arms look kind of like a W shape at this point. This burns up the outer wall of your bicep. So this one. So you can see we've hit the midline, the inner wall, and the outer wall with this one band. If you work consistently with these exercises, your biceps start to get really defined and look fantastic.